Fluffy, are you pouting? Mm-hmm. You get scolded? Yeah, you got scolded, didn't you? Mm-hmm. You know you're not supposed to be over there, so we put you back in, didn't we? Mm-hmm.
What do I do? I do.
You said naughty bird? You said naughty bird, huh? He will let you out, just don't go over there. Alright, let her back out.